haven't we, to start September, and the sun is still shining for parts of East Anglia, but out to the west, as you can see, rather more cloud, and it's out to the west in the Atlantic that we're now focused. This area of low pressure, as that rushes in the next 24 hours, will bring a real change in our weather, an autumnal feel by the weekend. You can see that low pressure hangs around, which means a lot of showers, unsettled weather, strong winds, and there's that wind coming down from the north, hence the cooler feel. So it's best, I think, to make the best of today's sunshine, certainly across eastern parts of England, although that's sparking 1 or 2 showers now across Norfolk. Further west, we do have more cloud, as you saw in the satellite picture, a few pockets of rain around, even the odd heavier burst, the odd thunderstorm possible for southwest England and South Wales later, and also some pockets of rain running up through central parts of Scotland, some har on the east coast. But for Northern Ireland, hopefully a brighter afternoon. The cloud is starting to clear here now, and relatively warm too, especially in eastern parts of England where we see the best of the sunshine. But here the cloud will melt away overnight, the fog will return, and out towards the west we'll hear the cloud will thicken and the rain will sweep into western Scotland and Northern Ireland by dawn. So a very different day for Scotland and Northern Ireland tomorrow. Some persistent rain sweeping quickly northwards and eastwards during the morning on a strengthening wind. Further south, yes, the fog will be the problem, parts of England and Wales again. That'll take a few hours to clear, but once it does so, reasonably dry and bright for East Anglia and the southeast. But for northern England, much of Wales, perhaps the Midlands as well, it'll be a clouding over picture with some showery bursts of rain. Even further north and west, although it brightens up, there will be a scattering of quite sharp showers, especially with that strengthening wind touching gale force in the north. That in itself will make it feel much cooler than today, but in the south and the east again, holding on to the brighter weather, still relatively warm, 22 or 23. And we may well escape with a mostly dry day for the fourth test at the Oval, just the chance of a shower. However, by Friday, with this weather front close by, there'll be some rain around and then showers for the weekend as that low pressure starts to dominate. In fact, showers and northerly winds means it will feel quite cool and autumnal. So Friday starts with that weather front in the south and the east, slow to clear. Sunshine and showers follow on behind, and more persistent rain and gales, very gusty and squally winds in the northwest. And that's the way it'll be over the weekend. As you can see, temperatures substantially lower than they have been in recent days and plenty of showers. In fact, temperatures back down to average for the time of year. Far from average though as we cross the North Sea into Scandinavia, some 10 degrees above average at the moment. They do start to tumble in the next couple of days, but really the story is very unsettled once again through the Mediterranean. And as for us, as I say, Anna, a distinct autumnal feel by the weekend.